So we have 5 stocks, the strategy for them, insider bought around those area, how to take a profit, where you load if you want to average down, exactly around the price where we gonna see big buying pressure, and where the squeeze for those stocks. So let's get right to it and start with the one and only, of course, AMC. So right now we have another triangle forming from this big triangle that we have tested before around this area here and here and here. Right now we exploded from this ascending line and we started to do another little triangle is ready to explode. Okay, here you see this is crazy test. We have many tests for AMC for this triangle. Here 3 tests. One around the 8th of November, second around the 16th of November, and today we have crazy looking candle, red candle with no body. That's mean indecision phase right now for AMC. The price hit here, we're gonna see explosion until the 48, and this is will tell us that the price is ready to squeeze around the 52, as I said many times before. If you watch my last videos that I done for AMC or on our Patreon, where we discuss AMC, GameStop, and a lot of coin and stocks that been requested from us. Okay, this is simple as that, because if we close below, we're gonna see a sign of weakness and test for this last support, which is the 37.68. This is it for AMC to explode now or never. The next one we have Neo exploded today, and we have a test and rejection around the 42.23, and guess what, Neo, it was loading up so many times around this massive loading area. Every time we visited this area around the 32, we're gonna see big explosion. Okay, however, we met almost every time with this rejection area or this resistant area for this big triangle. So right now we wait for one thing to confirm that Neo will go to all-time high again around the 60-65 as before and the beginning of this year, which is closing candle above this ascending line, which take us around the 45, and this will be a confirmation for a squeeze bomb around this technical area will be our profit taken, or even extending to 100. Maybe we see the 100 for Neo for the next year or the end of this year if we have the momentum right, and the holding above this area. We're gonna see the squeeze pretty soon, and right now we have even a gap. So right now we have a clear support, which is around the 38. The next one we have prog. As we said, we have a $5 resistant. Before it was the $4 the resistant. We make it our support. Right now we have strong support around this ascending line and this support here, which is the $4, as we talked about in our Patreon. You can check the link in the comment section below if you want to join to ask me around like your favorite stock or the stock you want to cover in the pre-market, because we cover it daily on Patreon. So as I said, here the price should bounce and find support in order the next time to see the $7.37, and make sure to have the price holding above the $4, because the $4 will confirm that we have the momentum to go up again, and we not having slowing of momentum and breaking this general trend of uptrending market. The next one we have FAMI. We have a lot of question regarding FAMI from you guys. So the one thing that I discussed before, that we have a really looking triangle for FAMI. However, we broke it around the 10th of November. And as I said, we need to hold above the 0.3080, and this is will be the last support. However, we have another support, as I said, for you to hold is the 0.26, 65, and guess what, we have the bounce from it around the 19th of November and around the Friday, I think, yeah, around the Friday, last Friday, and we have a confirmation for this support is really strong. We bought back, and the confirmation for interest or for investors or the insiders, the first time we saw this wick. Really important to see this wick, and today confirmed that we have interest for this discounted price for FAMI after we jumped today almost 6%, and right now we have a clear resistance around the 0.3080, and right now we're gonna see a test. If we get rejected, this will be breaking for this level, and we're gonna see the double bottom around the 0.20. Be careful from this rejection around the 0.30. We need to break this level and make it our support in order to go up again and test the important turning point for FAMI. This time will be around the 0.35 before the 0.46 well, the squeeze will happen here for FAMI. Just be careful from the 0.3080, the test for the market, if we gonna see the genuine buying pressure and the breaking for downtrend, or we gonna see another bottom for FAMI. This will confirm here around this level. Then lastly, we have metx as well. We have a lot of questions regarding that, and as I said before, for you to watch out for this up, doing higher lows, and as I said before in the last video, is as soon as we break this level of doing higher lows, this is good. But if we break it, is mean we gonna see the price going lower, and I give you the last support to get out from, which is the 0.5141. And as I said, this will be confirmed the second signal for weakness for metx. That's why we broke this level and even broke this support around the 0.42. Right now we see a buying pressure happening because we getting closer to our last support, which is the 0.31. So I expect something like this, simple as that. We see a buying pressure because it's discounted price here. However, right now we are in the midway, so we're gonna see a test here and going back here. This will be the bottom for us, where we see accumulation for a price, new investor coming in, and then we're gonna see the price go up. However, we need to hold this level and consolidate like what we did here, and around September and October to load up and see the price go up. Okay, this would be really important and interesting support to hold if we get rejected around the 0.42. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, comment in section below. As I said, be strategic, have a strategy, and hunt for exact price value with me, Trading Jesus. See you in the next video.